Dakaji Sokhia ka bajur halor ka jingroy jong ki jaka pule ki bana Asam hapo ka Them Riboy District ki balawan banseng klem dayo ikino ki jingbit lane ki kot kisla ki babiang lemba ka sarkar jela nakaleng ka Federation of Kasi Jantia and Garo People FKJGP bernihat circle kalalik ban khenra ya kawi ka jaka pule lane ka jaka ai jingkai ka balaseng ha bernihat ka balatip kum ka Din Dayal Upadaya Gramin Koshala Yojana kabadon hapo upper balian bernihat hakani ka jinglet jurip jong ka seng ya katai ka jaka pule kabaai ki jingkai hakabaide bagi kamba per lani ki treat haktin nongwei lalap bakane ka jaka ai jingkai lani ka training institute kamsyam ladon kinu kot isla ki babiang kum ka training license lani ka jingbet ru naki bor sarkar jong ka Meghalaya bat ka district Riboy lalang kumat kane ka jinglet jurup ya kane ka jaka ai jingkai da usamla artisan kong state general secretary ka FKJGP bernihat circle usamla dibos khain organizing secretary lambat kiwi kino elam ka bernihat circle ya kane ka jinglet kira ya kane ka jaka ai training Lasan Ranru dauba lumlang maunai Vice President ke FKJGP North Kasil District. Nakaliang kaseng kalai kenduru yo manager jongkane ke jaka ajing hikai berhadin ke jinglap baka jaka ajing hikai kamcem ladon kinu kot kisla. Nakaliang kaseng hi kalai por shitaiew yakane ke jaka puli baka pynbiang ki kot kisla. Lem kumta kaseng kamban se ban khang kredep no yakane ke jaka ajing hikai kabadon po bernihat.
से जो आप इम्प्लीमेंट करने वाला है उसको देखिए
ये
सर
सर ये जो एंटर DDU का नहीं लिया ना सर सुनिए मेरा DDU-GJY का मिला है कि सर आपने अप्लाई तो किया है इसीलिए आप नेक्स्ट
वो तो अप्लाई किया ना अप्लाई किया जब तक इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हुआ
अप्लाई करने के बाद मेरा सेंटर is why we are pressurizing the Meghalaya government kindly allow us this Meghalaya students also because this is a sponsored project sir. You ask anybody sir this PMKVY project where we will be teaching mushroom growers cultivation, feeder welding training to all the Meghalaya students.
That welding also is fall under this
yes sir.
PMKVY.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Welding then
mushroom growers. Mushroom growers.
Then that one BPO
saving no sir. Swing machine.
Yeah.
Swing machine we had applied for Meghalaya but we didn't get from Meghalaya. The Assam project is running right now. The Assam students has given approval. Assam government has approval.
So it's Assam project. How come you?
This is not at all Assam project, sir. Basically, we are applied for all the states, but Assam government has allowed. Okay, fine. You take the students, you train there, and we are giving placements. But Meghalaya government, because this students which come here for training, they are being sent by blocks. Okay, we directly cannot go and bring students for anywhere. The government refers the block, select the candidates from the respective villages below poverty line, and then they send it to us. We train them and we send them for placements. Similarly, we will be doing it for PMKVY, where we will be giving them training for mushroom growers and welding. Mushroom grower will be they will be taught for this one self-help grower thing like, and the welding they will be have to go for placements. People, after you get training, you have to go for placements.
Yes, yes, yes.
You have to go for placement. This is because this is a totally placement-oriented project. I have to send you for placements, where I'll be giving you free food, free training, and free and plus the salary. You have to have a bank. We will be opening a bank account to you, and the salaries will be going to your bank account. And this is a mushroom which one you can go for jobs also, but you can start off your own business also. HNC license, I think so. The directors has applied for it, as far my knowledge goes. But confirmation, as he is out of town, so next week he is coming down to the town. And I have told sir yesterday night that next week by Tuesday we'll give them a call and we'll fix up an appointment with all you guys to finalize everything for forever.
Nakaliang jungi kaseng habide bat kane ka sentarang ne ka bangi lawan ya lenti hagi babun ki benta ba ni siam ba kane ka sentarang ne ka ya lat na ka state government ko jongi ane ka sentar margadon ko ka training sentarang ne ka ba de ka DDU-GJY ka de ka 4 yo jimbit wat na ka state government ko jongi ba ka wan pensong ya kane ka training sentarang ne tingi kum ka seng ni wan ban persajur ya kane ka company hang ne Henry lamar bangi siam ba ka kot ka sla ka jongki ru ka pynbiang nadu ki trading license ru ki pynbiang bat ki ta ki kot ki sla ki ba permission ki ba yo na ka state government ko jongi Henry ka ka balong ba ni snulingo ang ne ba Kiyok permission naka Assam State Government banseng ya kane ka DDU-GJY hane ka sentar ka jongki Henry ka pasngolingo apat long ka ka pasngolingo yang iba kumno kat ka Assam Government mo ka staka ka bagyo ka naka Assam Government panwanseng ya kane kata ka bomlalong ngi kum ka seng ngi sko ngi persajur ya kane bat ngini budin ya kane kenang ba ki kena samla kin yo lat kin yo ya kabu ksiar HBD ba kane training center hakane ka thain ka jongi kenang bakila ban imja HBD ba kane ka training center ka jongi kane ka training ka jingwan pet ka jongi HBD bat kane ka jingwan jongi ka jing aipor ka jongi nomor ulapan ya kapor buong baun aipor hadu asni baar katangin ai kapor jong asni baar hadir lada umla ban pynbiang ya kikot kisla hadu asni baar HBD bakane ka DDU-GJY nak liang jongi ka seng ngimla ban songkelikti hindrengin wan bani khang tala ya kane kenang ba ka sorkar kan tip bat kan simkia ya kane ka kam ka bamta